Hi, it's Josh from Apt Electronics here at CES 2016. I've got Mark here from Klipsch, and we've got a pair of monitor speakers, self-powered speakers, as opposed to speakers that need to be plugged into the amps to get power. They're on their own. Why would someone want to have these? What quality am I getting? What's the lowdown, Mark?
Well, this is, again, a new powered product in our arsenal that we're bringing in 2016. This is called the R-15PM powered monitor. And this is honestly the modern multimedia loudspeaker. I would envision this in a hip college student's dorm.
Got it.
So these are digitally amplified speakers that will also work with an external sub, so you can buy an external powered sub if you really want to rock it. But here's basically what this is all about. This will accommodate any source. So if you have, imagine a dorm room. You've got the notebook computer. The USB out has a USB input for digital audio out of the computer. You have a flat TV, it's a nice dorm room. Fiber optic, it'll handle the digital out of the television. Do you have a smartphone with Bluetooth?
Sure.
You can send audio via Bluetooth. Do you have a turntable, because you're pretty hip?
Are these all being plugged in simultaneously?
Yes.
And my Bluetooth is connected simultaneously?
Yes, as another source. So your turntable, without a preamp, right? A real turntable, built-in phono preamp in the speakers.
Wow.
So not a record player, a turntable, a high-end turntable you can plug in directly here. And then, of course, any analog source. So an analog input, RCA or mini plug.
Got it.
So on the back of one of the satellites is the digital amplifier, 2-channel amplifier. So your source is here, and then it powers the other satellite speaker.
Okay.
And then it has an output for the subwoofer. So you run the line signal to the subwoofer. And then, of course, the remote control lets you select sources, control your subwoofer, as well as the main volume.
Got it.
So you can start with the pair of speakers, which the pair is an incredible price of $499 for the pair. Then, of course, add whatever sub you want. You would probably want a Klipsch sub, right? But you can absolutely make this a powerhouse audio system, but totally simple, no external amplifiers, all built in. So I'll just show you the back.
Yeah, let's see the connections you're talking about.
So, lots of connections, so you're going to see a lot back here. Hopefully we don't unplug anything here. But you can see the turntable's hooked up, and then you got the ground wire here, so that's a real turntable connection. The speaker wire to the other loudspeaker, a line level plug for an external sub. We don't have that connected. Your volume control back here or on the remote. And then, of course, your USB input and your fiber optic input, they're all on the back of this right here. Then a master power switch. So this is a self-contained hi-fi system. And when you have those speakers separated, you create a nice sound stage, and you're not encumbered by any components in between.
So I've got a lot of connections. I could do a lot with these self-powered speakers. And do I need to ever worry about like blowing them out or working them too hard? Do they get hot? I mean, are there any durability scenarios?
Really good question. So the Klipsch engineers have optimized the drivers with the amplifier. So the system cranks, but it won't misbehave.
Okay.
It will rein itself in before it emits any distortion, right? And then, of course, part of that is reliability. They're digital amplifiers, high-resolution digital amplifiers, actually 24-bit, 96 kilohertz, so high quality for the sampling rate as sources come in. And then when you are cranking it up, digital amplifiers run cool, so they're not going to get hot. Right. So they're reliable, they run cool, you can crank it, and you can have a party, and the party won't end abruptly because the sound system stopped. More likely because the RA shut it down, or the police.
Good deal.
So it's a true Klipsch system,
Awesome. And they're available right now. We're shipping.
Yes, we're shipping now. So it's January, and we're starting to fill the pipeline with it. And we anticipate. We're ramping up production because this has been a very popular product. All the turntable guys, the manufacturers are going, great idea, because it means their turntables connect directly to it. Don't need an amp. No phono preamp.
Awesome.
Right?
Very cool product line.
Thanks so much.
All right, thank you.
All right, guys.
We got a lot of Klipsch products that we sell at apt.com. Check out the selection. Maybe we'll have some new monitor speakers coming out soon. Otherwise, subscribe to that Apt YouTube channel so you can always be up to date with all these new videos here at CES 2016.